In this video, you will learn how to install both the 3-in-1 filter and the RO membrane cartridges. First, remove the clear protective cover away from the RO module. Remove the wrap from the 3-in-1 filter cartridge, and with the triangle icon pointing towards the 9 o'clock position, slide it into the upper hole of the RO module. Gently push the cartridge in and rotate it clockwise until the triangle icon is pointing up at the 12 o'clock position. It is now locked in position. Then you're going to remove the wrap from the RO membrane cartridge and slide it into the lower hole of the RO module and conduct the exact same process and lock it into position. Then place the clear protective cover back into place on the front of the RO module.
Visit us at www.CanatureWG.com or call us toll-free at 1-877-288-9888.